Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix. We suspended your Facebook account, 180 days left to appeal. Sometimes, when Facebook believes your account has violated its policies, it may suspend or disable your account. In this case, you might see a message saying you have 180 days left to appeal. This means your account is not permanently gone yet, but you need to submit an appeal with the correct information and documents to prove that you are the real owner. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile device and search for Facebook Help Center. After that, click on the Help Center link. Now search for Facebook Disabled, and then click on My Personal Facebook Account is Suspended or Disabled. Next, scroll down and tap on No for Was This Helpful. Then select This Solution Doesn't Work and tap on Select. Here, you need to describe your issue by writing Hello, dear Facebook team. My Facebook account has been suspended without any reason. My Facebook account is very important to me. I am sending you this request from my another account, and I am also attaching my details. Please check it and reopen my Facebook account. For the account details, write them properly as follows: username, phone number, date of birth, and email. After adding these details, tap on Submit. Now go to the search bar at the top and search for Facebook feedback. Then click on the first link that appears. After that, select the product and feature, such as login. Now enter the description: Hello, dear Facebook team. My Facebook account has been suspended without any reason. My Facebook account is very important to me. I am sending you this request from my another account, and I am also attaching my details. Please check it and reopen my Facebook account. Again, provide your account details clearly, including username, phone number, date of birth, and email. Once done, tap on Send. Next, in Google Chrome, search for Identity Confirmation Facebook. Then scroll down and click on Confirm Your Identity. Here you can upload and submit an approved document such as a valid passport, driving license, or another government-issued ID. Finally, tap on Choose File, upload it, and send it. After submitting, you need to wait for Facebook's review. They may take a few days to check your details and send you a response by email or notification. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.